how to cancel order on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel order on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to cancel order on Amazon, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically launch the Amazon shopping application. Once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you will see this tab of interface where what you need to do is to simply tap on this little account icon that you can find from the bottom of the screen. Once you tap this account icon from the bottom, you'll find an option known as your orders. So when you go to the your orders tab, you will be able to see a list of all the orders you've made, and you can select a particular order and then you can cancel in that way. Now it also depends upon what stage the order is in, because sometimes what happens is that you might have just ordered it. In that case you can cancel right away, but if the order has already been packaged, it has already been shipped to the Amazon warehouse, in that case it is not cancelable, and the only option you have is consulting with an Amazon customer care. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.